I just got this! And there are some hows and whys and explanations, but first I have to test something. Alright, I think that's long enough. I don't need these connectors though. Vinyl man! Fake leather man. No, don't do it! Okay. Wow, they put some nice wire in these. It's only 5.5 amps. That was more than enough thickness. Alright. Hopefully that'll hold. Alright, this solar panel should have just enough power to run that motor. Not quite full power, but like maybe 2/3. Alright, let's see what we got here. Definitely reduced power. Let's see how fast we get up to. You know, I gotta say, that's not bad. For this little, this little solar panel. And these things are so light. I could fit like 4 of these on this boat, no problem. Oops, just block some of the sun with my sail. Oh, I want to get more of these. If I had 2 of these, I could probably run this motor full speed. If I put 4 of these on here, I could run, oh, double the power. Alright, it's not bad, but I need to go get my my amp meter and see how much it's actually putting out. I guess I should check the voltage too. The amperage is more what I'm concerned about. Wait a minute. Is that a bubble? Tell me that's not a bubble. Oh, quality control! Maybe it's just a drip of water. Let me... Oh, it doesn't look good from here. Let me stop and see what that is. Checked on my meter here, and it says it's giving out 5.8 amps. And the panel says it's only supposed to give out 5.5, so that's awesome! So, I'm just looking at this melting hole in the top. Oh gosh. It works so well! Let me just show you what I'm looking at here. Okay, right here. The top plastic surface is blistered because it melted, and it's got a whole bunch of blisters around here, like there's a short right here. It's pretty hot too, yeah. And let me see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, you can see where it melted. I'm like 99% sure this has nothing to do with anything I did. The panel looked like it was in good condition when it was delivered, and it was packed pretty well. And then, yeah, I mean, all I've done is bring it out here and very carefully put it in place. And, See, if I'd bought this, I would just tell them and try to get a replacement. But here's the situation. This is a sample I've been sent to do a review, and like an online review. And I agreed to do it because I've wanted to get one of these kind of, or a few of these kind of solar panels for a while. And I didn't know if they were any good. You know, I've heard varying reports, and I wanted to test one out myself. And a company agreed to send me one if I showed it online, which I would have done anyway. But anyway, they sent it to me for free. I still have to pay for the shipping to get it to Panama. But you know, they shipped it to the States. But yeah, it works really well. It's just this melted hole. And even with the melted hole right here, it's still working well. It's just not gonna last though. Like, there's a hole right through into the guts of the solar panel. So anyway, they sent me this solar panel, and now I can't give the what's the word, the unbiased customer service experience, because I did a review of this. It's not like I can say, hey, I bought this and there's a problem, can you send me a new one or a refund or whatever. It's like, well, you gave me this for free and something went wrong with it, can you send me another free one? I don't know what to do. Maybe it'll still, I mean, I'm gonna try using it for a while. I'm sure it's just not gonna last though with that hole. And it was like, as soon as I turned on the electricity, like maybe within a minute, I looked over and saw the bubble forming. I guess maybe in the factory they don't turn them on. I don't know. Well, let me just check what the short circuit voltage is. Let's see if that's the right. Oh, plugs fit different. Ah, it actually reads 24 volts short circuit. It says it's only supposed to be 20. So it's actually given me more power than it says it's supposed to, which is amazing. So it says the open circuit voltage is 20 volts, and that, yeah, when I was doing that, I wasn't checking the short circuit voltage. It was the open circuit voltage, sorry. Anyway, and the running voltage is 18, so 20 and 18. So I just measured the 20, and it was really 24, and I'm gonna presume the running voltage is probably higher too. I'm not even gonna bother checking because the current was high while it was running. So yeah, it works really well. This makes me want to get like 2 of these would run that motor no problem. And if I had 3 or 4, I could put them on my kayak here and just cruise around all day. And they're so lightweight. And this thing weighs like nothing. A couple pounds, I don't know. But yeah, I could just put them on and take them off. I wouldn't even be that worried about their longevity in the sun, because you know, these kind of solar panels have a plastic surface, which doesn't last as long as the glass surface. The thing is, the glass surface ones are a lot heavier. So like, that's what I have on my house. But these, I wouldn't have to leave them in the sun all the time. I could just take them out when I'm using them and then just fold them up, and not fold an individual one up, but like fold another one on top of this, fold them up and put them away when I'm not using them. So they would still last even with the plastic coating. So now if I could just get like a couple of these without a defect, and there's no way to know, like, did I just get the 1 in 1,000 that has a defect? Anyway, other than the defect, it works great. Super happy with it. And the thing is, like, now I would want to say, in a year, I'll let you know, how well it's lasting. But, you know, it's already got a hole melted through it. So I'm not going to be able to do that. Right now, it works amazingly. So I talked to the guy where I got the solar panel, and he said, wow, that's so weird. That doesn't normally happen. We sell tons of these. So I guess I just got an unlucky bad one. Oh! which makes it kind of a difficult decision for me. And he said he would send me another one to replace the one that had the defect. So originally I was thinking I would need 2 of these to power my kayak, you know, make a little roof. I could drive my kayak around for like miles and miles, and that would be great. So if I got one to do a review, then I could check it out, and if it was good, then I can order another one and just pay for it. But now I'm like, do I want the guy to send me the, you know, the replacement one and then just order another one? Because I'm really happy with the performance of the solar panels. Like 2 of those would run that motor really well. I think that would be a lot easier decision if I was in a place where the shipping was easier, like if I was in the States or something, where you know, if I need a replacement, they could just ship it over, no problem. It's just I'm in Panama on an island, and like even when they ship that one, they can ship it to an address in Florida, and then I have to pay to ship it from there to here because there's not really any shipping here. I have to use like a private thing. And I don't have a huge budget for this kind of stuff. So I'm not entirely sure what I want to do. It would be really nice to have 2 of those lightweight solar panels and just get on my kayak, fold it open, have a little roof stand. You could drive like 20 miles somewhere, fold it up, take it with me, and they're so light and easy to deal with. I don't know, I'll think about it. I'm definitely not going to do that with one of the glass solar panels that weigh like, I don't know how much, but they're like carrying a fridge around because they're enormous. I'll have to think about that. Anyway, so yeah, I've got some level of inconclusiveness in my review here, but the solar panel did work very well. Just had a defect, and supposedly they'll replace a defective one. So I think overall they're pretty good.